This International Women's Day, Blue Ocean conducted a one-of-a-kind virtual conference for women.
Welcome to Blue Ocean Women Leadership Development Virtual Conference 2.
The event had thought-provoking keynote speeches.
So I choose to challenge myself this year.
The current long-term impact has been considerable.
Insightful panel discussions.
When fishermen can't go to sea, they repair their nets.
The best way to, kind of handle glass ceiling is actually through intersectional approach that takes into account all of the factors of discrimination, not just one.
The women leaders have proved to be more conscious as a person that people can authentically relate to.
Not all women are in a position of privilege.
The only way really to solve some of these problems is for men and women to sit down together.
A multilingual workshop.
Leadership starts with self-leadership. Leadership starts with emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence starts with self-awareness.
The event received overwhelming feedback from participants. With great pride, Blue Ocean introduces the women leaders behind BOWLD. Thank you all, and see you next year with BOWLD 3.